Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the remote model and that your box and TV are powered and paired. This avoids wasted steps. Once you've verified that, press the button to open the Xfinity menu and navigate to settings using the arrow buttons. Make sure you're on the account with admin access. Otherwise, you may not see voice options. This gets you immediately into the right place, so you can turn voice control on without digging through irrelevant menus. Now you select voice control or accessibility in settings and highlight the voice control option. You'll toggle it to on, and the system will prompt you to allow microphone access. Accept that so your remote can send voice input. After enabling, follow the on-screen prompts to test the microphone, and if offered, perform a quick voice calibration. This ensures commands register accurately. If the box asks you to pair the remote again, follow those steps now to keep the process moving smoothly. Finish by testing common voice commands like guide, search, and record so you confirm both comprehension and function. If the remote doesn't respond, replace the batteries and repair the remote to the box. That resolves many issues. If problems persist, restart the Xfinity box and check for system updates. Firmware can affect voice features. One quick troubleshooting tip: move closer to the box and speak clearly. If you still fail, rerun the mic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.